Hi, I'm Gilbert Cirobillas Jr., studying BSIT, the University of Perpetual Health, Molino Campus. And today, I'm gonna show you how to set up a LAN connection with 5 different computers in one switch. So first step, we are going to click this one and devices, and we're gonna click generic. We're gonna place it here. After we placed 5 different computers, next one, we're gonna click here, network devices. Then we're gonna click switches, and we're gonna click this one. We're going to place it in the middle of 5 different computers. And now we're gonna connect 5 different computers in one switch using this one. Just click it here, connection, and this one, the copper straight through that we are using to connect the computer into the switch. Just right click here, then right click the computer. Oh, there's an error. The cable cannot be connected to that port. So we're going to check the switch. Because there is only 4 available port in our switch. And we have 5 different computers. So we're gonna add one to connect the PC4 into the switch. So first we're gonna click this one. But first, we are going to switch off the switch. Just drag it here and into this. Then after that, let's switch in on. Let's wait for all the buttons to be green. And then after that, we are going to insert a IP address in each of the computer. Now that all the button is green, just right click here the PC0 to check if there is an IP address into this computer. Just click here in the desktop button, then click the command prompt, and then type ipconfig to check if the computer has an IP address. Just press enter. As you can see, there is none IP address of this computer. So we are going to insert one IP address. Just follow this procedure. Just click the IP configuration and then type the default IP address. And then we'll go back to command prompt to check if the IP address that we insert. Just type ipconfig, then press enter. Then after we insert the IP address, as you can see, our computer read the IP address that we insert. Then to check if the IP address is working, just type ping 192.168.1.1. Then just type enter. As you can see, the 4 other computers reply from our PC. So if you type ping 192.168.1 or the IP address that you insert, and then it shows reply from blah blah blah, it means that you have successful into putting an IP address into your computer. And that's already done. Just repeat the steps into the 4 other computers, and then it's done already. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope it will help you. Thank you.